There's the window, and I think that's stopped, so just for proof's sake I'm going to get the economist again so you can see what date it is. Oh yeah, balcony. It's dark, so you ain't going to see much, but it's all okay. Curtain rails, fine. Kitchen. Okay. See, all clean, all clean, all clean. This is all the landlord stuff again. Clean oven, spent hours cleaning that. Fridge, all scrubbed. And freezer. Washing machine, all clean. The sink. Right. Is there anything else? Okay. What date is today? 12th of January. So moving out tomorrow.